Hi, my name is Phil Sanchez with Sonance Commercial Audio, and with me is Simon Wehr, Director of Commercial Products. Today we're going to embark on a series of short videos aimed at providing you with some insights behind the products that currently make up the Sonance and James commercial audio lineup. So let's talk about Sonance Professional Series and how that lineup came to be. So Simon, what was the impetus behind the Professional Series designs?
Yeah, g'day, Phil. It's a really interesting question. We actually developed the Professional Series line because the commercial market asked us to, which is an ideal situation. We have been developing in-ceiling architectural speakers at Sonance for 40 years this year, and we've always had a lot of cutting-edge designs. Now, the commercial market saw what we were doing and really felt that the commercial audio market had been left behind. Everything still sounded like it did 40 years ago and looked the same way it did. So the request was, can you please do in commercial what you're doing in residential? Better looking, better sounding, easy to install, more reliable commercial loudspeakers. So with that, we worked with those commercial integrators and consultants and developed the brief on what's become Professional Series. In ceiling, pendant, surface mount. A big emphasis on aesthetics, as you can see, one-piece magnetic grille, black or white, square grille adapters that match the square aesthetic of square HVAC grills or square ceiling tiles, minimalistic pendants designed not to look like AV equipment, but also to look like a pendant light, and then surface mount products that not only look more like a piece of decor than, for example, a speaker box, but actually mount in a more revolutionary way than anything else as well. And then, of course, the sound side of things, we started off with Sonance's laminated core transformer that gives us full fidelity in 70 volt or 100 volt. So there's no compromise on sonic performance when you use these things in high Z. And then just better developed drivers as well. So Pro Series line, in-ceiling, pendant, surface mount, also a big subwoofer, a product line that really has changed the way people look at commercial audio.
Well, great. Hey, Simon, thanks for that. So again, I'm Phil Sanchez.
And I'm Simon Wehr.
And this has been 2 Minute Tech Talk with Sonance Commercial Audio.